Do you know of a tiny seed that packs more protein than an egg? It sounds unbelievable, but it's true. And what's even more remarkable is that this unassuming seed does more than just feed your muscles, it actively helps fight sarcopenia, one of the silent killers of aging. Around age 60, our bodies begin to lose muscle mass, so slowly that we often don't notice it at first. Then one day you realize you're pushing hard with your hands to get out of a chair. Climbing stairs makes your legs tremble and your heart race. Or perhaps you feel that frustrating weakness when trying to open a jar in the kitchen. When these simple daily tasks become difficult, you realize just how precious strength truly is. But there's good news. Today, I'm going to share with you 5 secret weapons, super seeds that can help you maintain your strength, muscle mass, and independence at every turn. These aren't complicated formulas or expensive supplements. They are natural gifts that you can easily integrate into your daily meals. And they nourish every muscle fiber, make every stride stronger, and help you wake up feeling that your legs are still strong enough to do all the things you love. Before we dive into these powerful solutions, I want to connect with our community. Please leave a comment below. Have you ever worried about the strength in your legs? When we share our fears, we realize we're not alone in this journey. So, a simple yes or no is enough. I'm here every day to share the truth that can help you regain your strength and independence. So please, remember to hit that like and subscribe button. And if you're watching right now and this resonates with you, let me know by typing a 1 in the comments. If not, type a 0. And please, stay with me until the very end, because I won't just tell you the names of these 5 seeds. I'll give you a clear, comprehensive plan on how to use them, showing you how simple, small changes in your daily diet can help you rebuild your body, window by window, from a crumbling house into a solid home. Let's start with our first powerful seed, hemp seeds. Imagine a small seed, no bigger than your fingertip, with the power to build muscle as well as, or even better than eggs. A seed that, whether you sprinkle it on your breakfast, your lunch salad, or blend it into an afternoon smoothie, can provide steady energy and repair every muscle fiber that has weakened over time. That's a hemp seed. For a long time, hemp seeds have been called the king of plant proteins. Just 3 tablespoons, or about 30 grams, of hemp seeds contain over 10 grams of complete protein. This means they contain all the essential amino acids that your body needs, but cannot produce on its own for muscle growth, repair, and maintenance. This is crucial for older adults fighting sarcopenia, the age-related muscle loss that subtly robs you of the ability to walk, climb stairs, or get out of a chair without assistance. Beyond protein, hemp seeds are an excellent source of omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids in a near-perfect ratio. These healthy fats reduce joint and muscle inflammation, protect your heart, and improve blood flow to your muscles. Omega-3 also nourishes nerve cell membranes, which enhances neuromuscular communication, helping your legs feel strong, agile, and responsive as you age and reducing your risk of falling. Hemp seeds also provide magnesium, a well-known mineral for muscle relaxation. By helping muscle fibers contract and relax smoothly, magnesium can prevent those small spasms from turning into painful nighttime cramps. Iron and zinc in hemp seeds support red blood cell production, carrying oxygen to your muscles and sustaining your endurance whether you're walking, gardening, or doing light exercise. The best part is that hemp seeds are easier to digest than most other seeds. Their protein is free of phytates, compounds found in many seeds and beans that can inhibit nutrient absorption. This means that even with a weaker digestive system, older adults can absorb the full nutritional benefit without bloating or discomfort. Incorporating them into your meals is simple. Start with 2 or 3 tablespoons in your morning oatmeal or Greek yogurt. Add a spoonful to your green salad with olive oil dressing for a complete plant protein lunch. For an afternoon smoothie, blend them with banana, almond milk, and a little cocoa powder. Their subtle, nutty flavor blends seamlessly with other foods without overpowering them. If you are looking for an easy-to-digest, plant-based solution with the power of eggs, hemp seeds are the perfect choice. Each small spoonful not only strengthens your muscles but also your spirit, empowering you to walk with more confidence every day. Your legs are more than just a mode of transport. They are the foundation of your independence, dignity, and self-assurance. And though they are small, hemp seeds can be your silent defense against age-related weakness, helping you keep every step strong and confident. Our second super seed is the enigmatic Sacha Inchi, or Inca peanut seed. Ancient Peruvian warriors used a seed they called Inca gold to fortify themselves before long marches. Sacha Inchi seeds are more than just food. They are a powerful complete plant protein and one of the highest plant sources of omega-3, helping older adults maintain joint flexibility and prevent muscle atrophy. A single 28-gram serving of Sacha Inchi seeds provides 8 to 9 grams of high-quality protein with all the essential amino acids. That's as much as or more protein than a large egg. For seniors for whom every gram of protein is precious in maintaining muscular strength, Sacha Inchi seeds are a natural defense against sarcopenia, the age-related muscle loss that can make legs feel weak, shaky, and unconfident. But Sacha Inchi seeds are not just about protein, they are one of the best plant sources of omega-3, which are vital for healthy muscle and nerve cell membranes, reducing chronic joint inflammation, and enhancing neuromuscular communication. This can lessen joint pain, make your steps steadier, improve your reflexes, and prevent sudden muscle jerks from cold or long periods of inactivity. Rich in vitamin E, Sacha Inchi seeds also protect your muscles from the oxidative damage that comes with age. Vitamin E also improves blood circulation, ensuring oxygen and nutrients reach all your muscles, keeping your legs supple and less fatigued during walks or stair climbing. Additionally, Sacha Inchi seeds contain magnesium, zinc, and tryptophan, an amino acid that indirectly helps with mood and sleep by promoting muscle relaxation and better recovery at night. Their mild, slightly nutty flavor, similar to a roasted peanut, makes them easy to incorporate into daily meals. Here is one way to use them. For a full protein breakfast, pair them with oatmeal and a banana. For lunch, sprinkle them over veggie salads or mix them into cooked quinoa. In the evening, replace processed snacks with a few dry roasted Sacha Inchi seeds to curb cravings and provide protein and omega-3 for nighttime muscle recovery. For older adults looking for a natural way to prevent muscle atrophy and ease joint pain, Sacha Inchi seeds are a truly remarkable gift from nature, because each small seed not only nourishes your muscles, but also your spirit, giving you confidence, stability, and independence with every step. Third, let's talk about Moringa, a green superfood that boosts vitality and helps rebuild muscles. In the plant kingdom, there's a leaf referred to as the miracle tree or the tree of life. That's Moringa. When its leaves are dried and ground into a powder, Moringa becomes a true superfood, containing more complete plant protein than eggs, along with vital vitamins and minerals that help older adults rebuild muscle, boost energy, and protect their overall health. Just 100 grams of Moringa powder contains a remarkable 27 grams of protein, higher amount than many other seeds and plant foods. The unique thing about Moringa protein is that it includes all the essential amino acids your body cannot produce on its own. These are crucial for maintaining, repairing, and gaining muscle mass, which is especially important as you naturally lose muscle mass in your 60s and 70s. Beyond protein, Moringa powder is a great source of calcium, iron, and vitamins A, C, and K, which are often deficient in older adults. Vitamin A supports immunity and vision. Vitamin C helps in the synthesis of collagen, which is essential for tendons and muscles. Iron boosts red blood cell production, carrying oxygen to your muscles and reducing fatigue when walking or doing housework. And vitamin K is crucial for maintaining strong bones. Moringa's powerful antioxidants, such as quercetin and chlorogenic acid, also help reduce chronic inflammation, a key contributor to joint and muscle pain, morning stiffness, and slow recovery from physical activity. Its natural anti-inflammatory properties specifically shield muscles from oxidative stress, helping muscle fibers stay strong and flexible. Moringa powder is also easy to use and digest, making it perfect for seniors. No complicated cooking is needed. You can boost vital nutrients for your muscles, bones, and nervous system by simply adding 1 to 2 teaspoons to your morning smoothie, cereal, vegetable soup, or salad dressing. Combining Moringa with a healthy fat source like avocado, flaxseed oil, or olive oil can optimize the absorption of fat-soluble nutrients and vitamin K, for example. A smoothie with banana, almond milk, Moringa powder, and a tiny bit of flaxseed oil provides protein, omega-3 salt, potassium, and magnesium, making it a perfect meal for muscle repair. If you've never used it before, start with a small amount of half a teaspoon of Moringa powder per day to allow your body to get used to it. Then increase to 1 or 2 teaspoons. Be sure to choose pure organic Moringa powder for quality and safety. Moringa is more than just food. It is a source of green energy that deeply nourishes your body. Adding Moringa to your diet is not just about nutrition, it's about self-care and keeping your legs, Strong so you can walk with confidence and live each day to the fullest with the dignity and independence you deserve. Fourth, let's consider firm tofu, a gentle complete protein that builds muscle and strengthens bones. Firm tofu is often overlooked in discussions about high-protein foods for seniors. However, when it comes to nutrition, firm tofu is one of nature's most straightforward yet potent gifts, especially for those who want to maintain and build strong muscles without putting undue strain on their digestive systems. 100 grams of firm tofu contains about 8 grams of complete protein, with all the essential amino acids your body needs to maintain and repair muscles, with every gram of protein acting as a weapon against age-related muscle loss and sarcopenia. Tofu is a safe and effective option for seniors. It is also easier to digest than poultry or red meat, but tofu offers more than just protein. It is also a fantastic source of calcium, which helps strengthen bones and lowers the risk of osteoporosis and fractures as you age. Tofu contains highly absorbable calcium, especially if it is made with natural calcium sulfate. Iron-rich tofu also helps produce red blood cells, which carry oxygen to muscles and keep you energized for walks or light chores. Another key component of tofu is soy isoflavones, by acting as a mild form of plant-based estrogen. Isoflavones support heart health, reduce inflammation in muscles and joints, and preserve bone density. In postmenopausal women, tofu can improve mood and lessen hot flashes. In men, moderate isoflavones are good for the heart and blood pressure and don't interfere with hormones. The best thing about tofu is its versatility and suitability for a wide range of tastes. For salads or brown rice, slice firm tofu, sprinkle it with sea salt, pepper, and garlic powder, and then roast it until it's crispy. Or for a light, easily digested, and nutritional supper, cut it into cubes and quickly stir-fry it with cashew, broccoli, shiitake mushrooms, and a spoonful of low-sodium soy sauce. If you're looking for a high-protein plant-based snack without meat, try cold tofu slices topped with toasted sesame seeds and a dash of soy sauce and sesame oil. Tofu is also the ideal meat substitute for people with high cholesterol because it is high in protein, low in saturated fat, and cholesterol-free. Tofu's exceptionally low glycemic index helps diabetics control their blood sugar levels while providing long-lasting nourishment. Firm tofu is both tender and strong. It nourishes every muscle fiber, shields bones, supports the heart, and soothes aging digestion. When you enjoy a warm tofu dish, remember that you are strengthening your legs and keeping them stable with each stride, allowing you to live each day with the freedom and respect you are due. Fifth, let's turn to quinoa, the whole supergrain that boosts endurance and rebuilds muscles. Think of a tiny seed, as unassuming as a pearl, yet with nutritional value comparable to meat and eggs. A meal that helps older persons retain strong muscles, regulate blood sugar, and improve endurance with each step by supplying complete protein, fiber, vitamins, and minerals. That's quinoa. Technically a supergrain, quinoa, referred to by the Incas as the mother of all grains, is vital for anyone wishing to combat age-related muscle loss because of its high nutritional content. 1 cup of cooked quinoa, approximately 185 grams, contains nearly 8 grams of complete protein, including all essential amino acids, especially lysine, which is needed for muscle growth and repair, and is often missing from other grains. In addition to protein, quinoa is a good source of calcium, magnesium, and potassium. These 3 minerals are necessary for smooth muscle contractions, cramp prevention, and neuromuscular communication. Magnesium promotes muscle relaxation, which reduces nighttime spasms. Potassium maintains electrolyte equilibrium, which guarantees appropriate nerve signal transmission and lessens muscle soreness and leg tremors during extended walks. And in addition to strengthening bones, calcium is necessary for muscle contractions, which maintains the stability of every stride. Quinoa also has a high soluble fiber content, which helps regulate blood sugar levels after meals, promotes healthy digestion, and avoids constipation, a common problem among older persons. Because quinoa has a low to medium glycemic index, it provides consistent energy without causing abrupt blood sugar rises, which is important for people with pre-diabetes or type 2 diabetes. Quinoa's high iron level is another significant benefit. It promotes the development of red blood cells, which carry oxygen to the brain and muscles, hence lowering weariness during exertion. Quinoa also contains zinc, folate, and vitamin B6, which strengthen immunity, nourish nerves, and promote the growth of new muscle cells. You may incorporate quinoa into your regular meals with ease. For a comprehensive plant-based meal that is high in vitamins and minerals, Boil quinoa with almond milk in the morning and add hemp seeds and moringa powder. To keep blood sugar constant and add easily digested protein, substitute quinoa for white rice for lunch and serve it with salmon or stir-fried tofu and greens. Prepare a cold quinoa salad in the evening with spinach, roasted almonds, and olive oil. It's nutrient-dense and easy on the stomach. If you've never cooked quinoa before, rinse it well before cooking because it has a natural saponin coating that can make it taste bitter. It is easy to cook. Use a water to quinoa ratio of 2:1. Bring to a boil, lower the heat to low, cover and cook the quinoa for 15 minutes until it blooms and turns translucent with its distinctive nutty aroma. Quinoa is a tiny but powerful gift from the Inca culture to the modern world. Every quinoa seed you consume is an investment in the health of your muscles, bones, and nerves, enabling you to walk with assurance and maintain your independence and dignity at all times. Many people assume that as they age, they will inevitably lose their strength, balance, or energy. However, that is untrue. As long as you give your body what it needs, it can still regenerate. A simple choice such as including a tablespoon of seeds in breakfast can have a significant impact. Why? I will still have time to reclaim your inner power, boost your self-esteem, and live each day with greater autonomy. Your body is just waiting for you to provide it with the nourishment it needs to recover and flourish. It has never given up on you. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and share it with friends and family who care about staying strong and healthy after 45. Don't forget to subscribe to Heartful Health After 45 and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our newest life-changing health advice. Drop a comment below telling us which seed you're most excited to try first, and don't forget to shout out your country, too. We love seeing our community from all over the world. Your voice matters, and your story could inspire someone else, so join the conversation now.